Great news, folks, for India. Great news. Christmas is being celebrated early. We have to end it by 10:30. So we're ahead of the world. We're ahead of the world. But I got even better news. Donald Trump is giving the Legion of Honor Award to the one and only Prime Minister of India. Isn't that great? By the way, the Prime Minister told him he'll accept the award after Jan 21st, depending on who's the president. Merry Christmas, yaar. It's called the week that wasn't. Hello, my friends and children. Merry Christmas once again. But London under lockdown on Christmas week. I think you have to blame the immigrants for that, no? They're feeling quite bad, actually. You left Pakistan, Bangladesh and India and you come to London and now London is the worst place. What's the point of that? And the old tune has changed a bit. London Bridge is locking down, locking down, locking down. London Bridge is locking down. My any complexion lady. See what I did there? My fair lady? Not politically correct. You can't say that. My any complexion lady. People are panicking over the new strain of the COVID in the UK. The BJP Health Minister explained it like this. You see how a few TMC members joined BJP in Bengal. So now you have a new strain of TMC in BJP. It's like that. Have I crossed the line with TMC or BJP or with the Health Ministry? I'm not sure. I do apologize. Masks in public is a must for the next 6 months, said the Maharashtra Chief Minister. But if you're a mask robber, say you're robbing a bank, then the government is asking you to wear 2 masks so we can differentiate. Speaking of India, India meanwhile has changed priorities. We are asking the UK for all their possible vaccines in the wake of this new strain. Basically, we first want them to hand over vaccines and scientific data before Vijay Mallya. Here's a list of things you can't ask for in your Christmas list. Write this down. You cannot ask for a green card. You cannot ask for steak. You will not ask for ganja. And above all, you can never, ever, ever ask for the Congress presidency. Merry Christmas. And now it's time for the video of the week. We actually put a camera into a room where we were having a conversation about Secret Santa. And we found some interesting things. Take a look. Guys, Mohit, Kunal, Matosh, what a great year. In spite of COVID, well done, well played. So Secret Santa to ho gaya. You've got your gifts from Secret Santa. I'd love to know ki Secret Santa ka presents mein, what did you get? Are you happy? Khush hai? Satisfied?
It's kind of rubbish. Yeah.
So happy. Ye kaisa? No, wait, let's be specific. Kya mila tha? We'll start with Matosh. Matosh, what did you get from Secret Santa?
I got 500 rupees.
Ah, that's good, yeah. 500 rupees is great. What's the problem?
But it's old note, na? After demonetization, it's crap.
Right. That's
So,
Illegal now.
I wonder who made that mistake. Can't remember that.
Yeah.
वो किसने किया? Okay, so I'll talk to HR. I'll make a note about that later after I go to the toilet. I'll remember that. Mohit, आपको क्या मिला था?
I got this cap saying hope.
Nice. That's a nice cap. Govinda wore this in Kuli number 2. I've seen this.
Not sure about Govinda, but this is Mathos's old
It's
cap,
my cap,
which was lost.
ये कैसे हो गया?
Yeah.
किसने किया? I mean, how? I can't. Okay. Kunal, what did you get?
I got a promise.
So promise for money.
It's just a promise here. Present.
I'll talk to HR. I will. Anjali in HR has to answer for this. I do this.
Cyrus, why don't you tell us who this Secret Santa is? Who has given us all these weird things?
Who is the actual Secret
Yeah.
Santa? The Secret Santa, Philal, that's a privileged information. I don't think I can share that with you. Security detail, ki level jo hai, it's above Z security. I can't divulge this information. I'll get back to you on that. And let me tell you ki jo asli Santa jo hai, wo to, he tried to come, but obviously there was a problem with protocol and COVID and most of. Next year, adjust karega hum log. I have an interview with a very important. I think Tatas have called me for a meeting. Investing in this. Merry Christmas. Now I empathize with the government of India. I understand what it's like to be a government. When you have unnecessary arguments and stupid, selfish people making silly comments because they don't understand the entirety of the situation and the generosity of the host. It's unbelievable that these people are still allowed to have jobs. But because it's Christmas, we'll keep them for now. All right? Lots more coming up, but first, the headlines. Christmas celebrations in Lucknow. The latest on the farmers' agitation. And a special festive message from India's boy band. And now, before we go into our top story, I would like to address the nation. So, nation, gather round, your TV sets or whatever appliances you have, not including fridge and microwave, and listen to me. My fellow Covidians, we have suffered. All the festivals have come and gone. Holi, Diwali, Gudi Padwa, Raksha Bandhan, happy birthdays, all these have come and gone, and now Christmas will come and go as well. And we still have COVID. But what we have is a secular nation, ladies and gentlemen. Christmas is a lovely festival. It shows India in the best light. It shows how we celebrate each other's traditions, how we love each other, how hum sab ek hai. And to prove my point, I'm going to take you to Lucknow, where Gopal is chatting with people in Lucknow who are also respecting the tradition and celebrating Christmas with us. Jai Hind.
Hi Cyrus, I'm at the Lucknow airport and I'm very excited. I just want to know how Lucknow UP people celebrate Christmas. So I want to meet people and ask people what's their plan for Christmas. So let's go. भाई साहब इधर आइए. आपका नाम क्या है?
हमारा नाम राम नारायण है.
राम नारायण जी हमारे साथ हैं. नज़दीक आ जाइए, आवाज़ दी तो आएगी नहीं ज़ोर से. राम नारायण जी 25 दिसंबर जो है उस दिन आपके क्या प्लान है 25 दिसंबर को?
अरे हमारी साली की शादी तय हो गई थी 25 तारीख को और दूल्हा गया है भाग. अब सारी बुकिंग हो चुकी है. तो भैया ऐसा है कि हम तो दूल्हा तलाश कर रहे हैं, किसी को भी पकड़ के बिठा देंगे, खराब नहीं होने देंगे 25 तारीख.
नहीं 25 तारीख को, लेकिन एक त्यौहार होता है ना बड़ा
त्यौहार. इससे बड़ा कोई त्यौहार हमारे लिए कि हमारी साली की शादी है, घरवाली हमारे पीछे पड़ी हुई है.
और कुछ नहीं है, सिर्फ आपकी साली की शादी है.
और 25 तारीख को क्या, और आज तक कुछ नहीं हुआ है. अच्छा सुनिए, आपकी शादी हो गई?
अरे हटिए. अरे
भाई साहब सुनिए तो.
एक और भाई साहब हमें मिले हैं. भाई साहब यूपी में 25 दिसंबर कैसे मनाते हैं? आपका क्या प्लान है?
मतलब 25 तारीख तो हमारे लिए बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है.
चलो
इतना इम्पोर्टेंट है कि आप बता ही नहीं सकते कितना इम्पोर्टेंट.
इम्पोर्टेंट है, मतलब किसी को तो पता है 25 दिसंबर को क्या होता है ना?
हाँ,
तो क्या है 25 दिसंबर?
हमारी तारीख है 25 की.
तारीख है मतलब
पेशी है, कोर्ट में पेशी है 25 तारीख को.
क्या किया था आपने?
मत बताइए. भैंस जो है चोरी कर लिए थे तो उसके चक्कर में कोई नहीं.
भैंस चोरी कर लिए थे तो उस चक्कर में इनकी तारीख है. थैंक यू. आपका नाम क्या है?
मेरा नाम जहाँपना सुल्तान हुसैन हैदरी, बादशाह शाही घराना तालुका के ऑफ नवाब खानदान, शहनशाह ईरान.
अच्छा जी. तो 25 तारीख को आपका क्या प्रोग्राम है?
मैं बताता हूँ सर, अभी मैंने डिसाइड नहीं किया मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ 25 तारीख को.
बट 25 तारीख को क्या है आपको मालूम है?
नहीं पता नहीं, पता कर लूँगा मैं सर.
25 दिसंबर आपको पता नहीं क्या होता है?
नहीं अभी कर लूँगा सर, पता कर लूँगा.
कहाँ
मैं
से पता करेंगे?
अभी मैं गूगल्स पे से पता करूँगा सर.
गूगल्स?
यस सर.
अच्छा
या गुड सर. इजाज़त है सर सभी?
ठीक है.
Okay.
थैंक यू. साइरस, एज यू कैन सी द डेकोरेशंस ऑल एंड ऑल, मुझे लगता है इनको ज़रूर कुछ पता होगा. भाई साहब 25 दिसंबर को क्या है?
ये 25 दिसंबर को मेरे ताऊ का इलेक्शन है और मुझे बोला गया अपोजिशन वाले को उठाने के लिए. अगर ज़्यादा चूचा करेगा तो ठोक भी देंगे.
नहीं वो तो सर आपका पर्सनल है, लेकिन ये देखिए पीछे ये सजा हुआ है, पेड़ है. तो
ताऊ ने कहा इलेक्शन है तो सजा दो, पूरा शहर हमें सजा दो.
अरे ये ताऊ की वजह से नहीं सजा है आपके. खैर एनीवेज, थैंक यू. हाँ ठीक. साइरस, ऐसा नहीं है कि यहाँ लोगों को पता नहीं है क्रिसमस क्या होता है. देखो पूरा क्रिसमस ट्री है, डेकोरेशंस है, बट आई थिंक हमें ही ऐसे लोग मिलते हैं. आई थिंक देयर इज समथिंग सीरियसली रॉन्ग विद अस साइरस. हमें ऐसे ही लोग मिलते हैं आड़े सीधे. ओवर टू यू.
He works on our show and now he realizes after 14 years. Have you seen our actors? See what I deal with. Anyway, listen, no disrespect to Christmas, whatever happens, folks, please, nobody get upset. This is the way a small group of people didn't seem to understand. Rest of the world, rest of India, very much in the Christmas spirit. We have to now interrupt this program for a second, guys, to check on local MLA Vishwas Nahi, who seems to be up to something. He's always disturbing the peace. Let's find out. Mr. Vishwas Nahi, what the hell are you doing?
Arey, I am waiting outside the city of Pune.
Yeah, but why, Mr. Nahi, and why is there a disturbance? What's going on?
Arey Baba, I just need to find the first Pune citizen who comes by here.
But why, Mr. Nahi? Why?
Arey, I just need some Poonawala.
What? Poonawala, why?
Arey, because the vaccine is made by some Poonawala, na?
As local MLA, you must be the first to have it, right?
Arey, of course, Mala.
Yes, of course. We have to keep our politicians and our bureaucrats safe first, and then celebrities. That's non-Bollywood stars, Bollywood stars, tele stars, stars with drugs, stars without drugs, cricketers without children, cricketers with spouses, without spouses, those cricketers found in parties, drinking after 3 a.m. in the morning, that kind of thing. Although I must tell you, when I first heard about Suresh Raina being arrested, I was shocked because I thought CSK failed, yes, but this is a bit far. Bit far, I thought. Okay, it's Christmas week, but Indian farmers are still protesting on the outskirts of Delhi against the 3 central agri-marketing laws, if I can call it that. The agitation has taken yet another turn, and farmers involved in the Bandh are fasting. So once again, let's meet an agitation expert to understand how agitations and bandhs work. It's fascinating, the world of bandhs. Joining us now is Tublu Bandyopadhyay.
Hearty congratulations and the Merry Christmas to you. I have been singing Christmas song all afternoon, but I have not understood why all the bells are ringing in the jungle.
Not jungle, we say jungle. There are no bells ringing in the jungle. Jungle.
Then why is people singing jungle bell, jungle all the way? Oh, what fun it is to ride on one horse open sleigh. Again, jungle bell.
I think that's probably because some of the TMC guys defected to BJP and then कभी-कभी government को भी plug करना पड़ेगा ना? Come on guys, come on. You can't always attack them. That's jingle bells.
Exactly what I said, jungle bell.
Jingle bells. Okay, let's talk about the bandh, the agitation. Now, you're the expert, you tell us.
Yeah, but what you want to know about this agitation, about this bond?
So, sir, how is this bandh different from other bandhs? How is it a standout bandh for you?
You see, if you go into the different type of bonds, you see there are different several kind of bonds actually.
Okay, fine, but what is this bandh all about?
So let us start at beginning. Let us start with economy.
With the economy?
Yes. First, there is a bond which is done for monetary reasons.
Monetary reasons, you say, okay.
Yeah, that kind of bond is called an investment bond.
No.
Yeah, within investment bonds, there are other sub-bonds, you see, like short-term bonds and long-term bonds.
One second, those are financial bonds that you're talking about. I'm talking about the bandh in Delhi.
Oh, that is exactly what I am saying. It is a short-term bond.
No, but this bandh is putting Delhi at risk. Come on.
Because in all short-term bonds, they always put capital at risk.
You know what Gopal said earlier? All coming true again. I don't know. I don't think you've understood this whole concept.
Excuse me, I am PhD on this subject. I have understood. And I will also explain to you. See, another kind of bond is the kind of bond that brings people together, makes people join everybody, a bond never to break apart.
Never to break anyone apart. What bond is that?
Heavy bond.
That's just an ad. Don't know if it's true. Really, honestly. You're just wasting our time.
I'm telling you. You see, British people, they were so impressed with our freedom struggle and this whole idea of satyagraha and non-violence and bonds that they bent and actually named a road in London after the bond.
What road?
Bond Street. That is next to Oxford Street, perpendicular.
You're no expert on buns.
That is absolute rubbish. I am the only man who is true expert on all kind of bonds.
You are the only one. How come?
I have the qualification and I can prove it.
Right? And how can you say that?
Because the other two people who are claiming to be expert on bonds have absolutely no qualification.
Who?
Because one person is total fiction and the other person writes total fiction.
Right? And how can you say that?
One is James Bond and the other is Ruskin Bond. Not real Bond. I am the real Bond.
Okay, looks like it's time for me to take some Brook Bond while you take a break.
My name is Bond. Bandyopadhyay.
You might as well join the festive season and the festive occasion. Why be left out with low-brow, low-hanging fruit comedy provided by the one and the only Gopal Dutt Tiwari and Kunal Shri Vijayakar? Mohit Mahal and myself are exempt from this. We are higher intellectual capacity. Much better. Folks, as you go into Christmas weekend, have a great Christmas, but that doesn't mean the show's over. Bad news for you, we will come back after this break. We wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a... Line kya hai uske baad? Welcome back, Christmas fever and all that. You must be wondering, why isn't he wearing a Christmas cap or hat? Well, the reason is because I don't even wear the mask. But I wear the stocking. Because I already have 2 children, so, hence the whole, yeah, right, whatever, huh? Okay, folks, let's talk about something sad that happened last week. Not the second strain of COVID in London. That's also equally bad or almost as bad. I speak of that terrible day, 36 all out. 36 for 9, but we'll come to that in a second. As the Melbourne test is underway, I asked Indian critics, and there are many of us, not to be too harsh on the boys. There are worse things. There are much worse things than 36 all out. Like 35 all out. Okay, no, forget the jokes. Here's my philosophy. I think Captain Virat Kohli missed a trick. When Shami was hit on the wrist and you heard the crack of the bone, you knew he was injured, he should have immediately declared. You see, 36 declared means it's not counted as an all-out score. So we declared 36, okay, so 42 remains as our lowest score. As a cricket lover, I demanded that. But Ravi, Virat, why didn't you pick up the phone? But come February, India will exact a proper revenge on the Aussies. We will get badla, and it will be proper badla. We just won't select them in the next IPL auction. Steven Smith? David Warner? How dare you, Pat Cummins and Hazelwood? Apparently, Aussies, speaking of them, Hazelwood and Cummins, well, they asked Santa for the same 2 gifts. A pink ball and another day and night match with India. That's the last one. Because being a critic is not fun. Support the boys. They've had one bad day. Okay? And people are criticizing Virat Kohli and saying he's not made 100 in international cricket this year. There were 10 months with no cricket. That's like my marriage. 10 months with no wife. Hence, we'll be celebrating 20 years in a few days. And you're worried about COVID. Okay, all right. Let's meet the lady who's made this show what it is today. I speak, of course, of my mother, but I don't have a picture of her. But I do have Kaniz, who wants to talk about all the people who influenced her from our show, a tribute to all us guys from Kaniz. Kaniz, go ahead and talk to the people.
Hello everyone at the week that wasn't. I just wanted to wish you a Merry Christmas, and I'm really sorry I couldn't be there because I'm not in town. I actually went to I'm in Singapore, London. I'm in London. I went on a Christmas holiday, so I'm not in town. So I couldn't be in the studio, but I did want to wish you all a very Merry Christmas. And sorry, what, Cyrus? Why does this look like my house? No, that's fair. Because I usually when I travel, I get Airbnbs that look like my place. I feel at home, so that's a logical reason. Anyway, I just want to say I'm really excited to be back, and it's been so long since it's been a week that wasn't, and now I'm back on the show and I get to chill with the people I really love and care about. Like the guy on the sound, the guy who what's it? Sushit. The DOP. He's cool. Like the guy who does the sound, Manish. He is very Manish. Monish. And then, of course, my co-actors, the producer, before I get to the co-actors, the producer, Momo. I love Momos. Mohit, yes, Mohit Mahale. Oh my God, I missed you. And then, of course, Gopal, that's his name, right? Gopal Dutt. Yes, Gopal Dutt. You were so good in that show you did. He does a lot of shows, but he's so good. I loved and missed him so much. And then, of course, how can I not even talk about the 2 favorites? Kunda Vijayakar. Kundal Vijayakar, just, been for 12 years, always supported me and was there for me through everything. Kundal, thank you so much. And then, of course, Mr. Barocha, Mr. Cyril Cyrus Barocha. Thank you so much for I just, for being my closest friends. So I miss you guys. I wish I could be there. Boo, I can't be there. But Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And I guess I'll be seeing more of you next year. Monkeys? Why don't you wish everyone at the week that was a Merry Christmas? Jingle bells, jingle. Oh wait, my cats are not with me. What did I say I was? Singapore.
Okay, let's get back to the festive season, especially for my lovely mother Olivia. This is for you. This is a Christmas song, I'm told, sung by a new band called Jai and the Kisans. Because it's about time they are listened to. And they're doing this in English just for you. This is a festive song with a powerful punch, I'm told. On the first day of Christmas, Modi ji sent to me a few laws that would make me free. On the second day of Christmas, Modi ji sent to me 2 water cannons and 3 laws that would make me free. On the third day of Christmas, Modi ji sent to me 3 lathi charges, 2 water cannons and 3 laws that would make me free. On the fourth day of Christmas, Modi ji sent to me 420 henchmen, 3 lathi charges, 2 water cannons and 3 laws that would make me free. On the fifth day of Christmas, Modi ji sent to me 5 rounds of talks, 420 henchmen, 3 lathi charges, 2 water cannons and 3 laws that would make me free. On the sixth day of Christmas, Modi ji sent to me 6 top ministers, 5 rounds of talks, 420 henchmen, 3 lathi charges, 2 water cannons and 3 laws that would make me free. On the seventh day of Christmas, Modi ji sent to me 7 hunger fasts, 6 top ministers, 5 rounds of talks, 420 henchmen, 3 lathi charges, 2 water cannons and 3 laws that would make me free. On the 8th day of Christmas, Modi ji sent to me 8 days of talking, 7 hunger fasts, 6 top ministers, 5 rounds of talks, 420 henchmen, 3 lathi charges, 2 water cannons and 3 laws that would make me free. On the 9th day of Christmas, Modi ji sent to me 9 days of thinking, 8 days of talking, 7 hunger fasts, 6 top ministers, 5 rounds of talks, 420 henchmen, 3 lathi charges, 2 water cannons, 3 laws that make me free. On the 10th day of Christmas, Modi ji sent to me 10 days of wasting, 9 days of thinking, 8 days of talking, 7 hunger fasts, 6 top ministers, 5 rounds of talks, 420 henchmen, 3 lathi charges, 2 water cannons and 3 laws that make me free. On the 11th day of Christmas, Modi ji sent to me 11 days of meetings, 10 days of wasting, 9 days of thinking, 8 days of talking, 7 hunger fasts, 6 top ministers, 5 rounds of talks, 420 henchmen, 3 lathi charges, 2 water cannons and 3 laws that would make me free. On the 12th day of Christmas, Modi ji sent to me 12 more days of promise, 11 days of meeting, 10 days of wasting, 9 days of thinking, 8 days of talking, 7 hunger fasts, 6 top ministers, 5 rounds of talk, 420 henchmen, 3 lathi charges, 2 water cannons and 3 laws that would make me free. So good news and bad news from that song. One, there's lots of ways to fight this agitation and to get your point across. And the bad news, there are 12 days of Christmas. So 25th onwards, you have 11 days to go before you can go back to work. So enjoy yourself. Another week of doing nothing since March. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year, baad mein. If all things are good and all things goes well. So no 1 or 2 extra things here. Keep it clean, okay?
Yes, I have been waiting for you only.
6 ministers, 5
rounds of
You didn't change it.
6.
Boss, we'll miss next Christmas like this.
There are 2 more verses.
Oh, that's the last one.
The 12 days of Christmas is not.
What is the last verse? Doesn't matter.